Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel in Auto Addiction. Today we're going to check out the 2015 Mustang GT. Checking out the 2015 Mustang GT. This one's a 5.0 liter. It's a premium package, manual transmission. Let's dive right into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you guys a clip of the cold start up on this thing. It's got the Ford Performance exhaust on it, so it gets rid of the resonator, catback exhaust. We'll start off with the good stuff, so listen to this clip right here. Got the dual mufflers on it, gets rid of that big resonator pipe. This particular Mustang is the Guard Metallic, which is almost like a gray-green metallic color. It's got the premium wheels on it, 20-inch wheels. Of course, the sweet new taillights that they came out with in 2015 and up. It's got the deck lid spoiler on it. I love these wheels. They're wrapped in the Michelin Pilot Sport tires. They're 265 35/20. I haven't really been able to drive it too much because it's been raining down here in Florida, but checking this out courtesy of our Ford store, Ron Norris Ford here in Titusville, Florida. So if you're looking for a car, this one will probably be up on the lot. If not, they can probably find you one like it. So 2015 is when they changed over to this body style. I think they ran it up to like 2017. In the 18s they changed a little bit, but I love the styling of the front nose. It's got the new headlights in it, new front lower valance. This one's got the little splitter on the front. Again, love these wheels. Got the 5.0 badges. You can really see the color in the sun right here. It's got the blind spots in the mirrors, so you guys can see that. So it shows you your blind spots. It does have the Mustang emblems that light up on the ground at nighttime. The door sills. It's got some LED lighting down the bottom of the carpet. Being that it's premium, it does have leather seats. So these seats are kind of cool. They're like a two-tone, tan and black. I think goes pretty good with the color. Now if you're buying this car, you got kids, not really going to be able to fit too much back there unless you have the seat way up. It's the only downfall to the Mustangs. There's not a lot of room in the back seat. As you can see, as I drove, I'm 6 foot tall. That's about all leg room you have back there, so kind of cramped. But you got the nice bolsters on there, even the rear seats, so hold your passengers in well if they can squeeze back there. Go into the inside and jump around here. Alright, so always jump around to the other side. It does have the passive locks, so you just hit that. If you have the fob in your pocket, it will lock and unlock the door. Pretty sweet features. I do love how these things don't have the door frame around the window, so it gives you a nice clean door when you open it up. Jump inside. I got my fob already in the center console, so Start the engine, push the clutch in. Alright, so this one's a premium pack, so it's got navigation, XM radio, the big screen. Makes it pretty sweet, so you can go to phone, your XM, navigation, shows we're out in the middle of nowhere. And then your general info with your climate control, stuff like that. Gauges are pretty sweet. Now you go through the menus. So, good driver assist, you got engine on and off, blind spot, collision warning, cross traffic alert. You can turn hill assist on, so driving clutch. It's got track apps, so you can do a line lock, you can do launch control, brake performance, you can do accelerator timer, so pretty sweet. And of course your big speedometer, and then your big tachometer. Tons of steering wheel controls for your radio up and down. So overall, I would say this is a awesome car to buy. You know, they made the gauges all, you know, it's got a nice look to it. It's not overly complicated. So I do love that. I love the new door panels. So dash is pretty sweet. Again, I'm 6 foot, so fitting here is still pretty comfortable for a smaller car. Overall, I mean, I think the Mustangs are a really great buy. You can pick these up right now for $25 to $29, depending on how they're equipped. This one only has 26,000 miles on it. It's a 2015. I was thinking about purchasing this for myself, so you guys let me know below. Kind of going back and forth. I don't really like having car payments, but of course I don't have $20-something thousand sitting around right now, so don't know if that's gonna happen, but I wanted to share the vehicle with you because it is a great car. This is the way it came in. It hasn't even been detailed or anything yet through the shop. They let me take it for a day to drive it, see if I wanted to purchase it, and then I figured I'd share it with y'all. So hope you guys enjoy. We'll get around to the outside and show you a little bit more on the outside, and then take it for a drive. You can hear the exhaust. I don't know if you can hear it that great, but it's got a nice mellow tone to it. Again, that's a Ford Performance exhaust. The only thing it has done to the motor, I think it has an air raid intake on it, so nothing too exciting. Classic Mustang styling. Again, the wheels are freaking sweet. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. You know, make sure you share it with your friends. Trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. And then once we get a good subscriber count and get a general audience, then I'll be able to afford to buy stuff like this. But right now, I'll just be able to share these reviews with you. And again, I love the guard green color, or guard metallic, sorry, color that this thing has on it. So, all right, guys, if you enjoy the Mustang, enjoy the culture behind it. If you have a Mustang, comment below. Let me know what year you have, what you like about it. And I appreciate you guys watching. We're gonna take it for a ride. Please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys on the next ride. Thanks. So we're taking this thing for a ride. Ford Performance exhaust isn't overly loud. We're cruising about 60, turning about 1,800 RPMs or so, 1,500 RPMs. And it's pretty quiet inside. You hear a little bit of road noise, but overall you don't hear any exhaust drone, nothing like that. So I think she sounds really good. But take this thing back to the dealership, pick up the van, and then get back to the house. So hope you guys enjoyed this video again. Sorry it's so short, but just wanted to share the Mustang with you. And if I had more time, I'd do some accelerator pulls and stuff like that, but just don't really have the capacity to be able to show you guys that right now. But this thing definitely gets up and move. I'm very impressed with the 5.0 liter engine. And if you guys are looking for a Mustang, I would definitely recommend, you know, the 2000, I think it's like 14 and up, 13 and up, new 5.0s. I do really like the body styling though, the 15 and up. So enjoy, guys. You guys have a great rest of the week. We'll see you guys on the next video.